So la tienda, repeat, because today we have a conversation pattern. Conversation we call it as today we have a theater something, right? So let's see how it works in Spanish. La tienda de ropa. La tienda de ropa. Ropa is
La
basically
tienda
your clothing. Ropa is basically your clothing. Is it clear to you?
ठीक
Ropa.
है
Ropa is basically your clothing. Is it clear to you? Clear? So repeat after tienda is your shop. Tienda. Tienda.
tienda is my shop.
Yes, tienda. So la tienda de ropa. Repite por favor. La tienda de ropa.
La tienda de ropa.
Yes, exactamente. Now repeat after me. La tienda de ropa. Repeat after me. La
La
tienda.
tienda de ropa. La
Exactly.
tienda de
Yes. So it is something like this is a clothing store. Is it clear to you?
okay.
This is a clothing store. Is it clear to you? La tienda de ropa. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Now repeat after me. La tienda.
La
Tienda.
tienda.
Why la?
La tienda.
Because my tienda is your female. Tienda is your female. That's why it's la tienda. If it could be a
If it's
male,
male, then it's
that's
not.
L. Then it could be L. L.
L.
Loss is for
L.
masculine plural. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Is it clear to you?
Now
Now,
clear.
if I will say Gabriela, Gabriela is the name of the person basically. Gabriela. Okay. Gabriela trabaja en una tienda de ropa. First, you will understand why you're listening. Then I will write it down. Gabriela is the name of the person. So Gabriela, for if I will say Farad, if I will say Farad trabaja en una tienda de ropa. Very simple.
Okay.
What is this?
Fahad went to the clothes
No,
shop.
no, no, no. Trabaja. We have verb trabajar. Trabajar is a verb to work. Trabajar
Work.
is a verb to work.
Okay.
So trabaja because trabaja. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Gabriela trabaja en una tienda de ropa. It means Gabriela works in a clothing store.
Okay.
Trabajar. Is it clear to you? O as
Trabajar.
a el ella a trabaja. Is it clear to you?
Trabajar.
So
Correct.
Gabriela trabaja. Is it clear to you? En una
Gabriela
tienda de
tienda de
ropa.
ropa.
Is it clear to you?
Correct.
Now you have to understand my listening first. Ella ama su trabajo porque le gusta la moda y disfruta recomendar a los clientes I'm very slow, so I'm talking to you, right? Okay. Ella ama. He's saying ella ama.
Ella ama.
Ella ama. Ella ama is we have verb amar. Amar is my verb to love. Is it clear to you? If I will
Love.
say yes, amar is my verb is my verb to love.
Love. Okay.
If I will say ella ama
Ella ama.
trabajo porque
Ella ama.
ella ama su
Hmm.
trabajo
Su
porque
trabajo.
porque
Hmm.
le gusta la moda. She loves
Le gusta.
she loves her work. She loves her job. Trabajo. Job. You're
Yeah.
working your job. So
Yeah. Porque because she loves
she
to
likes
work.
gusta. No, 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 no.
Gusta.
Ella ama su trabajo. So it means she loves her job. She loves her
She loves job.
job. Porque because le gusta la moda.
Because she
Moda.
likes.
She likes gustar verb. Say, is it
Yeah,
clear
she
to you? Wale?
likes.
See? See? Le gusta la moda. She likes fashion. Y, okay. She likes fashion. Le gusta la moda.
Moda means fashion.
Yes, you know there's a brand of moda.
Yeah, Vero Moda.
Yes, moda. So
Okay.
she likes the fashion moda.
Hmm.
Is it clear to you?
Correct.
Now, now she will say E. Disfruta. E is and. So we have verb
And
from why we have done the verb disfrutar.
disfrutar. Yeah,
The verb to enjoy.
enjoy.
Okay. So I'm saying ella ama su trabajo porque le gusta la moda y disfruta recomendar. Recomendar is your recommending. Very simple.
Recommend. Yeah.
Yes, recomendar a los clientes to the client.
A lot of clients.
Yes. The idea of that whole concept is, I repeat, ella ama su trabajo porque le gusta la moda y disfruta recomendar a los clientes. She loves her job because she likes the fashion. Is it clear to you? Porque
Yeah, she likes the
le
fashion.
gusta la moda y disfruta and enjoy recomendar a los clientes and recommending the clients and
And
recommending
recommending the
the
clients.
clients. What to clients? La
Okay.
ropa más adecuada según. Very important, very important. Más abe, adecuada. It's not abe, it's my mistake. So adecuada. We have adecuada. Adecuada, you know, very simple. Adecuada is adequate. You know, adequate. Adecuada.
Adequate. Yeah.
Yes. Según. Según, I will write it down. Según is we have accordingly. According. So I'm saying over here, los clientes, okay? La ropa más adecuada según sus gustos y necesidades. Necesidades. Now, what is this? Now,
La
let's,
ropa más
let,
adecuada.
okay,
Adecuada.
let's read this very slowly and slowly. Ella ama su
Ella
trabajo.
ama su trabajo
She loves
porque le gusta la moda y disfruta
recomendar
recomendar
a
a los
los clientes.
clientes,
It means she
clientes
recommend and enjoy recommending to the clients. La
to the
ropa
clients.
más.
La
Más is
ropa
your
más
most. The
most
the client to the client the most suitable cloth. La ropa más adecuada. La ropa más adecuada is the cloth which is most suitable. Adequate.
means
Suitable.
yeah,
Adequate. Is it clear to you?
suitable
Según according.
según
Según
according.
according to their. Sus is there. Sus
Okay.
there.
So
According to their. Según sus gustos, according to their taste or likingness. Gustos, gustar, according to their taste, según sus gustos y necesidades.
and necessities.
And needs exactamente. So what I'm saying over here is, I'm saying, ella ama su trabajo porque le gusta la moda y disfruta recomendar a los clientes la ropa más adecuada según sus gustos y necesidades. Very simple. Is it clear to
Sus
you?
gustos, sus gustos y necesidades. Okay, I'll say it again. Ella ama su trabajo porque le gusta la moda y disfruta recomendar a los clientes la ropa más adecuada según sus gustos y necesidades.
Yes. Is it clear to you? Now, I will
Yeah.
raise a question to you now. I will raise a question to you.
Okay.
¿Es simple o difícil? Es simple, it is simple or difficult or difícil. It is easy,
Es
is
simple.
fácil. We have fácil also. I'm asking to you. Okay, if I ask you, is fácil o
Hmm.
difícil?
Es fácil o difícil.
Fácil is just simple, easy. It's easy or difficult. You say, oh, es
Oh,
muy fácil. Is it clear to you?
es muy fácil.
Is it
Es
clear to you?
muy fácil.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
So, ella
clear.
ama su trabajo porque le gusta la moda y disfruta recomendar a los clientes la ropa más adecuada según sus gustos y necesidades. Is it clear to you?
Yes, it is clear to me.
What you can do is, Farad bhai, session is under recording. ये recording ऐसे सुननी है जैसे for example live session दोबारा आप सुन रहे हैं, just repeat after session. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
That's why I share the recording with you. Is it clear to you?
Correct.
Okay, now. Then we have is por la mañana, if I will say. Por la mañana, देखो, we are doing some theaters, so अब आपको समझना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
I will say por la mañana. It means in the morning. Por la mañana. Mañana we have morning. In the morning, por la mañana, in the morning, una cliente le pide. Pide. Now we have verb pedir. Okay, first I will tell you pedir verb.
In the
Very
morning, repeat.
No. Pedir is my verb to ask. Pedir, very important verb. Now, obviously, the moment will move forward, you will come to know vocabularies also. So we have a verb pedir.
Pedir.
Pedir is my verb to ask. Pedir.
Ask. Correct.
Is it clear to you? So repeat
Yeah.
after me. Pedir. Pedir is my verb to
Pedir.
ask. Yes,
Pedir is
pedir.
my verb to ask.
Yes,
Pedir is my verb
pedir.
to ask.
Pedir is my verb to ask. Is it clear to you? Pedir.
Yeah.
Because
Pedir is my
obviously
verb
we have
to
a
ask.
conjugation, right? Pedir. Now you come to know now what is pedir. Pedir is my verb to ask. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
So the moment we conjugate pedir verb, the moment, because pedir is a verb where we can, we can say Spanish, we have a phrase in Spanish to make a wish, to ask for advice, to apologize, to borrow. So over here we use a pedir verb. I will explain to you. Now, because we have verb pedir, so yo pedi. This is my conjugation.
I
Pedir,
ask.
yes. So over here we have yo pedi. I asked and I ordered. Yo pedi.
I ordered. Okay.
Is it
Yo
clear to
pedi.
you?
Okay.
Yo pedi.
Mm-hmm.
Tu pediste.
Tú
Tu
pediste.
pediste. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Yo pedi. देखो ये क्या है मेरी? If you ये मेरा प्रेते मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ अभी. Past है ना?
Okay.
Yo pedi.
यहाँ past है.
Pediste. This is my past conjugation. Iste o imos estéis eron.
Yeah.
Is it clear to you? So what is this?
Right.
Yo pedí, tú pediste, él ella pidió, nosotros.
Pidió.
Yes.
Nosotros pedimos.
Nosotros. What is this going on?
Nosotros pedimos.
Now it's fine. Yo pedí, tú pediste, él ella pidió, nosotros pedimos, vosotros pedisteis, and ellas pidieron. Is it clear to you? Over here, yo pedí, pretérite, y, iste, o, imos, estéis, eron. Okay? Now, yo pedí, tú pediste. No, repeat after me, please. Yo pedí, tú pediste.
Tú pediste.
Mm-hmm.
Yo pedí, tú pediste, él ella pidió, nosotros pedimos, vosotros pedisteis, ellas pidieron.
Exactly. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
So repeat karo, we have verb pedi.
Vosotros and vosotros remains the same. Rest of like yo, tú, and el, ella, and ellos, ellas, it will change from pedi to pda, like pediste, pediste,
As
and
simple hai, e iste o, emos stays
e-
eron.
yeah, correct.
Now, for example, if I will go for a present tense of my pedir verb, okay,
Mhm.
or ejemplo, if I will go with my present tense, okay,
Okay.
so I will say yo
Pedio,
pido,
yo pido.
देखो क्या बन जाएगा,
Okay.
yo pido pedir,
Yo
my
pido
e is converted
tú,
into I, yo pido, tú pides, ella
tú
pide,
pides,
nosotros pedimos,
nosotros pedimos,
vosotros pedís,
vosotros pedís,
ellas
ellos, ellas
piden.
piden,
So
piden,
yo pido, tú pides, ella pide, pido, pides, pide, pedimos, pedís, piden. So o
piden.
es e y mos is en. So yo pido,
Yeah,
tú pides, ella pide, nosotros pedimos, vosotros pedís, and ellas piden. Is it clear to you?
piden. Yeah,
Is it clear to you?
that's clear to me.
Okay. Now, for example, if I will say, for example, now, Farad bhai, because you have to understand now. Now I will go for a progressive, present progressive, that is present continuous tense, present progressive, which is in the progressing. Now, what is
Okay.
present continuous tense? What is present continuous tense? So, yes, in present continuous tense, Farad bhai, you have to use a star conjugation. You have to use a star
Star
conjugate.
conjugation.
Yes, and your pedir, because this is your pedir is my verb to ask. So what is ing form? Ing form is endo. Ing
Indo,
form is
Indo,
endo.
Indi.
हमारा इंग्लिश में क्या ing है ना? So in case of
Yeah,
ir ending verb, remember one thing. In case of ir ending verb, my ing is endo. My ing
Indo,
is endo. So that is
Indo,
pidiendo. That is pedir pidiendo. Is it clear to you?
pidiendo.
Pidiendo. So we have
Okay,
ing form is
Indo.
pidiendo. So pidiendo. This is my present progressive. Ing pedir pidiendo. But if I will say I am asking, if I will say
Yeah,
I
just a
am
minute. Just a minute.
asking,
Yeah, could you please tell me your email address?
in that case, I cannot use ser verb now. I cannot say yo soy. No, I will use estoy, yo estoy to esta. So in case of present progressive, it is just you have to understand I am, you are. We say I am asking, you are asking, he is, she is asking. So we have to use a star conjugation, present tense plus yendo. So yo estoy pidiendo, I am asking. Is it clear to you, Farad bhai?
Okay, I'll just note
Estás,
it down.
yes.
In case of present progressive, we always use a star conjugation
मैं यहाँ लिख दूं so that आप सेशन जब देखो आपको पता लग जाए.
in the star conjugation. Okay.
In case of in case of ing formation of Spanish, I have to use a star conjugation because what is present progressive? You tell me. I am asking, you are asking, I am, you are.
Yeah,
So that we cannot
I
use
am.
say no because this is my star conjugation which we'll use in present progressive. Wale,
Why? Correct.
okay. Now, if I say yo estoy pidiendo, tú estás pidiendo, él, ella está pidiendo, nosotros estamos pidiendo, vosotros estáis pidiendo, and ellos, ellas están pidiendo. Is it clear to you?
So pidiendo will remain the same.
What to say? देखो ना, I am asking, you are asking. Asking is same. English
Asking
में
is
क्या है?
same. Correct.
You tell me. I'm asking, you're asking, he, she's asking, and we are
Yeah,
asking. What is asking is same.
pidiendo.
The
Correct.
same is we have
Correct.
pidiendo because endo, endo. My ing is endo. Is it clear
I
to
am
you?
the. Yeah, it's clear to me.
Endo. Is it clear to you?
Endo. Yeah,
This is ing and we have
endo.
n. We'll do a lot of things, a lot of conversation, conjugation will do. Is it clear to you? Now, for example,
That's clear to me.
okay, all right, that's fine. So you came to know. So let's move to the theater then.
Hmm.
Okay, now the theater is saying, una cliente le pide ayuda para elegir ropa formal para una entrevista de trabajo. Okay, I will write it down over here.
Mm.
Una cliente,
Una cliente
a
le
client,
pide,
le pida, ask you for, le
ask you for
pide, pide, pedir verb, le pide, ayuda, ayuda, ayuda is my, अच्छा फराद भाई एक सेकंड होल्ड करना प्लीज ayuda ओके इसको रिपीट करो ayuda para elegir ayuda para elegir ropa formal. Now what is this? Una cliente, a client, le pide, ask, ask you for help. Ayuda para,
ayuda means help.
Yes, ayuda para elegir. Elegir is my verb to
Elegir.
choose. Elegir. Elegir is my
Elegir is
verb
my verb to choose.
to choose. Yes, elegir. Now you come to a lot of vocab. Elegir. It means a client asks you for help choosing ropa formal. For example, you are a client. You ask to someone the
Formal
uh,
clothes.
yes. So please help me to choose a. Now you will ask for their staff. Help me for to
Mhm.
choose a formal clothes. So una cliente le pide ayuda para elegir to choose ropa formal. Okay, that's a formal clothes para una entrevista for a job. Now maybe the client want to go for an interview. Entrevista, entrevista, we have an interview. Entrevista, entrevista, we have an interview. Is it clear to entrevista de trabajo? That for a job interview. Entrevista
Okay.
entrevista es interview. Entrevista de trabajo. So una cliente le pida ayuda para elegir ropa formal para una entrevista de trabajo. Is it clear to you?
Correct.
It means the
Una,
client asks.
una cliente le pida ayuda para elegir ropa formal para una entrevista de trabajo.
Exactly. It means what? He's asking for a that I have to go for a interview. So help me for a formal ropa. Ropa formal. Now, Gabriela, the name of the lady, la recomienda. Recomienda. We have done the
Gabriela
work.
recommend.
Recommends, yes. Una camisa blanca, a white shirt, y una falda and a gray falda. Falda, we have a skirt. Falda gris. Now, over here,
Gabriela
Gabriela. Gabriela
le
le recomienda. Recommends. Una camisa. Camisa, we have a
recomienda
shirt. Camisa, we have a shirt. Una camisa.
una camisa,
Blanca.
camis,
Blanca,
like
we have white.
camisa.
Una camisa blanca, a white shirt. Y and una falda gris and a
And
gray skirt.
gris. Gray skirt, okay. Una
Yes.
falda is gris.
Camisa
Gris.
is my shirt and blanca is my white. Con
Camisa
unos,
is my skirt.
yes. Now, con unos, now over here. Now, over here we have con unos zapatos with
Unos
that,
zapatos
yeah, with
que
a shoes.
combinan.
With the shoes,
Combination.
yes, exactly. Que combinan, which match, which combine con su bolso, which match
Also,
their
bolso
bag.
means shoes.
Bag. No. Zapatos, we have shoes. Zapatos. Zapatos, we have shoes.
Zapatos.
And your bolso, we have a bag. It means with shoes, con unos zapatos, with the shoes que combinan, which match con sus bolso, which match her bag.
Hmm.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, clear.
Now,
Con
el
unos
cielo.
zapatos que combinan con su bolso.
Yes. El cielo, over here we have, el cielo está nublado. Nublado is cloudy. Nublado is cloudy. Cielo hota hai sky. Cielo is the sky. The sky is cloudy. El cielo está nublado. Why está? Because we have a star conjugation. Today we have a cloudy. The next day it cannot be cloudy. That's why it's a star conjugation. El cielo. El cielo está nublado. It means the sky is cloudy. Así que, हमने कहा ना así que, so that, so, así que.
Así que yes,
Lleva,
so that
we have verb
lleva
llevar.
un-
Llevar is my verb to bring. Llevar,
yes,
have it in.
lleva,
Llevar, llevar is my verb to
yes,
bring.
we did
Lleva
bring, yeah.
un paraguas. Paraguas, we have umbrella. Paraguas, por
Paraguas,
si acaso. Paraguas, we have umbrella just in case of. Por si acaso. El cielo está nublado.
of
The
bring.
sky is cloudy. El cielo está nublado. The sky is cloudy.
The sky is cloudy.
Así que,
Así que, so that
so,
bring un
so,
paraguas,
yes, lleva, bring un paraguas,
bring
an umbrella.
an
Paraguas,
umbrella,
por si acaso, just in case of. Is it clear to you?
just in case of,
Yeah, that is por si acaso, just in case.
okay.
Por si, ye así que, so that, por si acaso, just in case. So remember these words, practice these words. Por si acaso. Is it clear to you? So por si
Por si
acaso. Así que we use a lot of time. Por si acaso, just in case. Por si acaso, just in case. Is it clear to you? Por si acaso.
Just in case, por si
Yes.
acaso, just in case.
Por si acaso. Is it clear to you? Now, I will say, más tarde. Otra cliente pide ayuda para elegir el mejor regalo para su novio. Very good. I'll explain to you what is this. Más tarde.
Más tarde.
Más, okay. Later on, más tarde we
Later
have
on.
late, more lately. Tarde we have late. So later on, más tarde, otra cliente, other client, otra cliente pide
Otra
ask,
cliente, okay.
otra cliente pide ayuda, other client ask para elegir, to
Ask.
choose el mejor regalo, choosing the best gift, mejor regalo. Regalo we have gift, regalo.
Gift,
Regalo we have gift.
gift,
Yes. Para su novio. Novio, we have a boyfriend. Novio. Novio, we have boyfriend.
boyfriend.
Yes.
Okay.
Más tarde, later on, otra cliente, other client, pide, ask ayuda, help, para elegir, to choose el mejor regalo, the best gift, para su novio, for her boyfriend. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Clear?
Yeah. What is el mejor?
Mejor, el mejor, the best.
Mejor.
Mejor, the best.
best.
Regalo, the best gift.
Gift.
Is it clear to you? Clear, Farhad bhai?
El mejor regalo, okay.
Right. Gabriela la muestra. We have a verb mostrar. I will explain to you. Muestra unas corbatas muy bonitas. Very good. Gabriela la muestra. अब मुएस्ट्रा क्या होता है बेसिकली इसमें वर्ब टू shows
Gabriela
basically le muestra
muestra
we have verb mostrar mostrar is a verb to show, so we have verb mostrar we have verb to show. Is it clear to you? Mostrar is my verb to show, and the moment I will conjugate mostrar verb, my
it would be muestra.
yes, so क्या हो जाएगा? Yo muestro, tú muestras, él, ella muestra, but nosotros, we will not change mostramos, mostráis, and muestran. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Clear? Now over here, what is saying over here? He's saying over here.
Gabriela shows unas corbatas muy bonitas. Muy
Yes.
bonitas.
Yes. Now shows him some very nice corbatas. Corbatas we called as, you know, tie, you जो आप tie लगाते हो. Corbatas. So saying, Gabriela la muestra, le muestra, sorry. Pardon. So Gabriela le
Gabriela
muestra
shows
unas corbatas.
very good ties, very nice ties,
Yes, muy
muy
bonitas,
bonitas,
very nice
very
ties.
nice.
So, is saying Gabriela la muestra unas corbatas muy bonitas. उसने उनको बहुत अच्छी ties present करी, दिखाई. Una elegante reloj. Elegante क्या? Stylish, elegant,
Stylish,
elegant, stylish.
stylish.
Reloj. Reloj we have watch.
Okay, reloj.
Reloj y unas modernas gafas de sol. Very good.
Modern designs.
No. Let me take to notepad one second. Now what he's saying is una elegante reloj, a stylish watch. Reloj we have watch. Reloj. We will say
Reloj.
reloj we have watch. Y una
Watch.
modernas gafas. Now modernas, you know, modern gafas de sol. Gafas de sol we call as sunglasses. Gafas de sol.
Gafas de sol.
Yes, sunglasses. क्योंकि sol we have sun. Sun को हम बोलते हैं sol.
Mhm.
Gafas de sol is your sunglasses.
Gafas de
De
sol.
sol. Because
Okay.
this is your gift. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Okay.
So
Sunglasses.
yes, is it clear to you?
That's clear to me.
Okay. Now this was regalo. He chose tie. Then she shows what? Una elegante reloj, a stylish watch, y unas modernas gafas de sol. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Ella se decide para una corbata y rayas rojo y azul. Very important. Let me write it down first. Ella sí se decide, she's decide, una corbata. You know corbata we have tie. Rayas rojo. Rayas rojo is, you know, rojo is red. Rayas
Yes.
stripped. You know, stripped. The blue strip tie, I
Red
will
what?
say. Strip. Time is stripped and
Red
stripped.
type, yeah. Strip type,
Stripped,
yeah.
right? So that is rayas. Rayas rojo y azul. It means azul we have blue. Azul we have blue color. And rojo we have red color. So she decide. Ella se decide por una corbata. She decide on a red rayas rojo, red y azul, red and blue strip tie. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, una
Corbata,
cliente,
Rayas,
okay,
rojo. Rayas means
you're
strip.
stripped. Is it clear to you?
Strip.
Una
Mm.
cliente va a comprar ropa para sus vacaciones en la playa. What is this?
Un
Un,
cliente,
yes.
client, va a
Un-
comprar like selected,
Yes, a customer is
compromise.
going to comprar. Comprar is what to buy. Is
Buy,
going to buy
comprar,
clothes
buy
para sus
clothes para
for
sus
their
for vacations, for their
vacaciones en la
vacations.
playa. Playa we call as beach. Playa we call as beach. Beach
Beach,
vacation. Yes. Is it clear to you?
playa, beach.
Yes. Now he's
Okay.
saying elige because we have verb elegir. Elige,
Elegir.
elegir, elige unos pantalones, pantalones, pantalones cortos, una sombrero para protegerse. Uh, yes, protegerse del sol. Protegerse del sol y una camisa de algodón. Very important. I will explain to you what is this. Now I will say over here. elige, choose. Elige una pantalones, pants. Pantalones cortos के the short pants. Cortos, short. Choose a short pants.
Okay.
Okay. Choose a shorts basically we called as. Elige unos pantalones cortos. Okay. Un sombrero, very important. Sombrero, very, very important. Repeat after me. Sombrero.
Sombrero.
Yes, sombrero is something like your hat. You know, hat, sombrero.
Hat.
Your hat. Para protegerse is to protect. A hat to protect del sol from the sun. From the sun. Y una camisa and a shirt de algodón and a cotton shirt. Algodón, we have a cotton. Is it clear to you?
Algodón, cotton. Okay. Algodón, cotton. All right.
Is it clear to you? So, is it clear to you?
I'll just repeat it. It's elige unos pantalones cortos, un sombrero para protegerse del sol y una
Protegerse.
camisa. Protegerse del sol y una camisa de algodón.
Algodón, we have a cotton. Is it clear to you?
Okay. Cotton. Okay. Algodón.
Now we have poco antes. Poco antes हम कब use बोलो poco shortly before poco antes.
Poco antes.
Yes,
Poco
I will write
antes.
it down over here. Poco antes de cerrar la tienda. Shortly before, cerrar is my verb to close.
Shortly before close the
Shortly
shop.
before, poco antes, shortly before the store closes. Cerrar la tienda. It means the shortly before the store closes. Is it clear to
Closes.
you?
Hmm.
Now repeat after me. Repeat it, please.
Poco antes de cerrar la tienda.
Is it clear
Poco
to you?
antes de cerrar la tienda.
Is it clear to you?
Shortly before the store closes.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Clear? Okay. Now, poco antes de cerrar la tienda, shortly before the store closes.
Closes.
Llega un hombre muy apurado porque, okay, I'll write it down first. Very important, very beautiful thing. Llega. Llegar is my verb to arrive. Llega. Llegar is my verb to arrive. Llega. Llega un hombre. Llega un hombre muy apurado. Un hombre. Llega un hombre. Hombre, we have a man. Apurado. Apurado, we have a in hurry. Jaldbazi, in a hurry. A man arrives in a hurry. Llega un hombre muy apurado. Repetir, por favor. Repetir, por favor. Llega un hombre muy apurado. Apurado is your hurry. Llega un hombre muy apurado. A man arrives in a hurry. Llega un hombre muy apurado. It means a man arrives in a hurry
because he was traveling.
Debe. No, he has to. Debe verb.
He has to.
He has to make hacer. Hacer is the verb to do. He has to make. Porque debe. Porque debe.
Because he has to.
Yes, porque debe. Debe hacer. Porque debe. He has to make. Un viaje. Yeah, he has to make a trip. Exactamente.
To Finland.
Yes, Finlandia. Finland. And.
That and.
Y no tiene ropa abrigada and doesn't have the warm clothes. Garam clothes. Abrigada, warm clothes. Ropa abrigada
and doesn't have
warm, garam kapde, abrigada.
And no tiene. Tiene, why we have used tiene here?
Because he doesn't have.
Okay.
Is it tener verb? Yo tengo, tú tienes, ella tienes. Okay,
He doesn't have.
a warm clothes. So llega un hombre muy देखो, all of a sudden llega un hombre, a man arrives, okay, muy apurado, in a hurry, porque debe hacer un viaje a Finlandia y no tiene ropa abrigada and doesn't have a warm clothes. Is it clear to you?
Yeah. I'll repeat it again.
Mhm.
Iga un hombre muy apurado, apurado porque debe hacer
Mhm.
un viaje a Finlandia y no tiene ropa abrigada.
Exactamente. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Clear now. Okay.
Viaje a Finlandia.
Yes. Europa abri.
Finlandia.
Now we
no-
have apurado.
y-
Apurado we have hurry up. Hurry up. Abrigada we have warm. Ropa abrigada is warm clothes. Apurado. Apurado we have hurry up. Apurado. Is it clear to you?
Apurado, hurry up. Okay. Apurado, hurry. Apurado means hurry.
Yes. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Now I will say. Now I will say Gabriela. If I will say Gabriela la sugiere. Sugiere. Gabriela le sugiere que lleve unas botas. Very important. Gabriela. Gabriela le sugiere. Suggest. Sugiere. Suggest que lleve. That
Unas botas.
wear boots. Una botas. That wear a boots. Una botas. Una
Botas.
bufando, sorry, una bufanda, not bufando, because una bufanda para, 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 okay, una bufanda is fine. That's fine. Una bufanda.
But
So,
unas botas.
yes, a
Okay.
boots. Okay. Una bufanda, that is scarf. Is it clear to you? That's a scarf. एक बार repeat करो आप, please. Repeat it, please.
Gabriela le sugiere que lleve unas botas, una bufanda.
Exactly. Is it clear to you?
So, unas botas. After unas botas, it's una bufanda.
Yes, a scarf. Is it clear
Yes,
to you? Así es, Gabriela ama su trabajo. Así es, así es, así es, so, así es. That's right. So that's right. Así es. बोलते हैं, así, that's right. That's right. Gabriela loves her job, trabajo. Is it clear to
That's
you?
right.
Okay.
Hmm.
Is it clear to
That's
you?
right.
Yes. So over here we have a verb apurado. Apurado is to hurry up. Okay.
Hmm.
Abrigada we have verb. Sugiere is my verb to suggest. Okay. So these are the basically, the theater. Like someone is working in the tienda. Okay. And what kind of client she handle with? Someone looking forward something else. Someone looking forward something else. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
ठीक है. So मैं आपसे एक बार ये रिकॉर्डिंग अभी शेयर कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है फरहाद भाई. इस रिकॉर्डिंग को
ठीक है.
देखो और मेरे से क्वेश्चन रेज करो कि इसमें आपको और आपको ये अभी का टास्क दे रहा हूँ आपको. The moment you will listen to the recording, first अभी आपसे next 10 minutes आपसे रिकॉर्डिंग अभी शेयर कर रहा हूँ मैं next 5-10 minutes में. रिकॉर्डिंग देखने के बाद आप उसको देखना है आपको सेशन दोबारा से सारा और आपको अपना वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग भेजना है. आपको अपना वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग भेजना है. आई विल चेक इसमें क्या प्रोनाउंसिएशन एरर है और कितना. यू हैव टू सेंड मी योर वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग प्रॉपर इसी का.
सही है. सही है.
नोट डाउन करो आप इन वोकैबुलरीज को. ठीक है. वोकैबुलरीज को देखो और पूरा एज इट इज थिएटर मेरे को आप अपना वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग डालो अभी. नेक्स्ट
मैं डालता हूँ.
ठीक है. अभी आपने रिकॉर्डिंग चाहिए आपको इसकी.
हाँ बिल्कुल मैं देखता हूँ ना.
ओके ऑलराइट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर